Hi, today I wanted to briefly walk you through the counseling website here at the MiraCosta webpage. And the reason that I wanted to show you this is because there's a lot of really helpful information on the counseling website that a lot of times we don't know to go looking for. So just to give you an idea of how I got here, I started on the main page, and then I went over here A to Z index, clicked on C, and then just scrolled down to counseling. This is their main page. You'll notice over here on the left that they have About Counseling. That's this main page, right? They actually do have online advising, which is awesome. If you can't get into maybe a drop-in appointment, you can go here to the CLC for an appointment, certainly. But sometimes you have a question maybe as a follow-up, or you have a question that comes up that you don't really need a whole appointment for. You can actually schedule a meeting to do something online, which is really nice. So over here it talks about all these different resources for you. So let's just click on student resources as an example. It talks about how to schedule, and you'll see another video there. How to prepare for your counseling appointment, what you should bring. It also gives you a brief introduction to associate's degrees and certificates. Okay, there's a difference. An associate's degree is going to take you 2 years, 2.5 years perhaps to complete. And then a certificate is something that you're just taking a certain number of courses, maybe 4 to 10 courses, in a very specific field, so you can get a certificate of competency or a certificate of achievement in that particular field. Okay. They also offer counseling courses, transfer information. Say you've done your 2 years, typically 60 units at the community college, and you want to transfer to a university. They have information on how you can transfer, okay? And you always want to be talking to your counselors about that early on. They also offer a lot of really wonderful workshops. So the 4 they have listed here: Exploring Careers, Choosing a Major, 10 Habits of Mind for College Success, Difference Between High School and College, and then Emotional Intelligence, the other key to academic success. All of those can be really, really helpful. Over here, My Ed Plan. We've talked about this a little bit in class. This is where you can go online in SURF and look at the classes that your counselor has planned out for you, okay? It is still kind of new, so it may not always be updated as much as we would like, but in general, it's going to be the place that you go to find out your upcoming classes, okay? And that'll be sort of your digital copy of what you and the counselor went over. They have a frequently asked questions. I'm sorry, I skipped over academic success and equity. Student equity literally means promoting student success and ensuring equal educational opportunities, basically for everyone, but especially to underrepresented groups, okay? And so in an attempt to do that, as you transfer over to credit, you'll find that there's a lot of really cool programs on campus. So first year experience is designed to assist first-time college students going through that process together, right? You're a peer group going through this experience as one. The Puente Project is for Mexican American and Latino students to connect. They have a lot of on-campus activities, they have study groups, they have mentors. Resources and assistance for former foster youth. That may or may not apply to you, but if it does, it can be incredibly helpful to connect with other former foster youth. You're going through perhaps a lot of the same issues at the same time, and this group is meant to help support all of you and raise all of you up. And then MANA is one of our newest student groups on campus, and it's for students who are of Melanesian or Polynesian descent. And again, it's just a wonderful program that helps give guidance to those students that come from that background. Again, mentorship opportunities, on-campus opportunities. Okay. Frequently asked questions. Kind of goes over goals. How do I determine a goal? Talks about career and technical education if you don't want to do the whole college thing for a really long period of time. Maybe you're looking at a trade school. It has all sorts of great stuff. Okay. And then down here, it actually talks about who's who, right? In case you want to connect with any of them individually. All right. I hope that this was really helpful. I also hope that you're going to be meeting with a counselor here very soon, and that it's a fruitful experience for you. Please go prepared. Go with a couple of questions to meet with them about, Keep in mind that you don't have to have something determined. You don't have to know where you're transferring to or what you're majoring in, okay? This is all about supporting your exploration of possible goals, possible roads, possible destinations, and them giving you options, okay, for succeeding in those.